guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make two really cute Valentine's Day slimes. Now that Valentine's Day is right around the corner, I thought it'd be super fun to make some Valentine's Day slimes, and I really hope you guys enjoy. But first, if you're new to my channel, then hi, I'm Alina. Be sure to hit that red subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any new videos. And without further ado, let's get started. So the first Valentine's Day slime that I'm going to be making is a red crunchy slime topped off with some pink heart-shaped sprinkles. So for this first slime, I'm going to go ahead and add my desired amount of clear glue into the bowl. Next, I'm going to add a bunch of different kinds of red glitter just to make the slime nice and sparkly. Next, I'm going to add some of these really cute mini heart-shaped sprinkles that I got from Kawaii Slime Company. Now it's time to activate the slime. For my activator recipe, I used 1 cup of hot water and dissolved 1/2 teaspoon of borax. Make sure to add your activator slowly so you don't end up with a stiff slime. I wanted the slime to be a little bit darker, so I went ahead and mixed in some red food coloring. And now to give the slime that nice crunchy texture, I'm going to go ahead and mix in some slushy beads that I got on Amazon. And now to top off the slime, I'm going to be using the same heart-shaped sprinkles that I used earlier from Kawaii Slime Company. So here's the first Valentine's Day slime all completed. I am so happy with how this slime turned out. This slime turned out so pretty. I just love all the sprinkles and the glitter in it. This slime also has a very nice texture. It's super nice and crunchy, and it's a lot of fun to play with. So here's the last Valentine's Day slime that I'm going to be making. So this one is a pink and white butter slime all swirled together, topped off with some heart-shaped sprinkles. So as you saw in the clip before, there are 2 different slimes swirled together. So for this first slime, I'm going to go ahead and add my desired amount of white school glue into the bowl. Now I'm going to add a couple pumps of foaming hand soap. Now to make the slime extra fluffy and soft, I'm going to go ahead and mix in some shaving cream. And now to give the slime that perfect Valentine's Day color, I'm going to go ahead and mix in some pink food coloring. And now it's time to activate the slime. Again, for my activator recipe, I used 1 cup of hot water and dissolved 1/2 teaspoon of borax. Make sure to add your activator slowly so you don't end up with a stiff slime. And now to turn this into a super nice and soft butter slime, I'm going to go ahead and mix in a half a brick of Daiso clay. Now that the first half of the slime is done, it's time to move on to the second half. So to make the second half, I'm going to follow all of the exact same steps as I did earlier, but this time I'm not going to add any food coloring because it is going to be a white slime. Now that both of the slimes are done, it's time to put it all together. So first I'm going to take both colors of slime and swirl them all together. Then I'm going to top the slime off using some rainbow heart-shaped sprinkles from Kawaii Slime Company. So here's the last Valentine's Day slime all completed. I am so happy with how this slime turned out. This slime turned out so pretty. I just love how both of the colors are swirled together, and I just love the sprinkles on top. This slime has such a soft and creamy texture. It's a lot of fun to play with, and I just had so much fun with this slime. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below which slime was your favorite. And again, be sure to hit that red subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any new videos. And be sure to check out my Instagram page where I post exclusive slime videos. I'll be sure to leave a link down below. I hope you guys are having an amazing day and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!